Hey guys, it's Carrie again here from Byrider Madison. This month I just wanted to make a video debunking some credit myths. So there's some out there that people believe one way or the other. So I just kind of want to set the record straight. First one that I want to kind of debunk is the dealerships will only provide financing to those with high credit scores. Obviously, that's not true at all. That is what we do every single day. I'm helping folks with bad credit, no credit, damaged credit. There are lenders out there that will work with folks that do not have the best credit. And again, that's what we do every single day. Other myths, and you've probably maybe experienced this a little bit yourself. Paying cash for a car is better than financing a car. That's not true at all. I mean, it is great that you own the vehicle outright, it's yours. At the same time, it does nothing to help your credit situation. Banks and creditors, they look at customers on their credit profile making good payments over time. If you're paying cash for a car, there's nothing to that. It's not doing anything for your credit situation. Another one that we see a lot is I need a large down payment for us to get approved for a auto loan, and that's not true either. I've helped folks that have zero down. I've helped folks that have thousands of dollars. It's all relative to your situation. Another one is I can't get approved for financing because I have a recent bankruptcy. Again, that's not true either. We've helped folks that have been through bankruptcy before. That's something that, again, I've been doing this for 4 years. I've helped so many folks in those types of situations, things like that. So just a few myths. Hopefully I've debunked and kind of shed some light on those. Big thing is if you're in a credit situation, again, bad credit, no credit, damaged credit, give us a call here at Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213. Let's get you in. Let's see what we can do to help get you back on the road and on the road to building and fixing your credit. Carrie from Byrider. Take care.